Today on Zoom,
we're going to show you how to make a dome out of gumdrops and toothpicks. Then, we're going to test their strength to see how many books they can support. Wow!
The biggest little man in bluegrass, Ryan Holiday.
oh man, I believe it's your car radiator that's smoking. Funding for Zoom is provided by the National Science Foundation, America's investment in the future. The Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people. And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thanks!
Hi, we're the YMCA right here in Springfield, Massachusetts. Get ready to Zoom.
Yeah!
Doom, 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 doom.
Olivia! Hi, Florida! Kaylee! Yeah! Garrett! Hey, Caroline! Rachel! All right! Let's do it! Come on and zoom! Come on and zoom! Come on and zoom! Zoom, zoom, zoom! Yeah! Come on and zoom! Come on and zoom! We're starting soon! Come on and zoom! Zoom, zoom, zoom! Zoom, 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 zoom! I'm Alini. I'm Garrett. Zoom! I'm Rachel. Ooh, yeah! Hey, I'm Matt. Zoom, zoom! I'm Eduardo. Hi, I'm Kaylee. Yeah. And I'm Caroline. We're all plugged into one world now. So let's talk. We want to hear from you. Come on, give it a try. And if you like what you see, turn off your TV and do it. Zoom, 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 zoom. Come on and zoom. Yeah. Come on and zoom. Come on and zoom, 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 zoom. Come on and zoom, 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 zoom.
We're zooming on WGBY.
Hi, and welcome to Zoom. Today, we're going to experiment with domes. Lots of domes. Gumdrop domes and egg domes. But first, we're going to make a human dome. To do this, Bria Kay of Portland, Oregon, challenged us to pick up a ball without using our hands. We have to start by laying down on our tummies. Okay, guys, let's lay down. All right. So how do you think we should do this?
I have an idea of we could use our heads to
pick
get
up the ball?
pressure, like a lot of pressure, and push it
and
hard.
push it.
I think since people are different heights, I mean, we're all different sizes, maybe we should have people that are close to the same sizes make sort of a triangle around, like, I know
that's a good
Caroline,
idea.
Rachel, and I are close to the same height, so if we make a triangle, and then, like, you guys fill in the spots, so you know what I mean? Because if we're all lifting the ball in the end when we're standing and it's all jabbled then.
So I want to just try that and see how it goes.
Okay, so it should
So
be
one between
So Caroline
and Rachel over here. So
perfect, yeah. So then.
Okay.
Okay, now we lay on our tummy.
All right.
Okay, so everyone has to put your hands behind your back. And we all have to be touching the ball at the same time.
Okay,
ready?
Got it.
Go ahead, Rachel.
Actually, we're touching it.
I'm not touching you. I'm not touching. Let me get up.
I think we should just all get up at the same time.
Yeah, I think we should all get up at the same time.
If the ball starts to roll off, just stay like really steady and don't stay.
Oh, no,
keep on going up.
Yeah.
So instead of being under the ball, we should put probably a lot of pressure on it to
On the
begin with.
sides,
You know what I
guys.
mean? Like
Let's
so
do it
right
on the
now.
sides.
So let's put the ball in the middle.
Put your hands behind your back.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait, I wasn't sure.
Okay, is everyone up?
Push, no, hold on. I gotta wiggle.
You guys can lean on my side because I'm on my knees and I got it.
Wait.
Stay steady, guys.
Garrett,
Okay,
you
I'm
up?
on my knees. Is everyone up?
Everyone, yep. Okay, guys, keep it steady. Keep it steady, guys. Get on one leg.
One leg. Next leg.
Ready?
Keep it steady. Is everyone up? Okay, now put it a little higher and lean in.
Okay, ready?
Guys, just keep our legs, balance our weight out.
Okay.
Keep them
Holly, push your legs a little back.
Yeah, everyone push your legs back as far as
Ready,
you can
everyone
go.
lean in a little bit.
Yeah, sort of.
What do cats eat for breakfast?
I have no clue.
Mice Krispies. Get it? Mice. Yeah, mice. Now, we're going to show you how to make a dome out of gumdrops and toothpicks. Tunisha I, of Kansas City, Missouri, sent us the directions.
To make one, you'll need 11 gumdrops and 25 toothpicks.
Here's what you'll do. Take 5 gumdrops. 1, 2, here I'll do it for colors. 3, 4, 5. And connect them with 5 toothpicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sure. And form them into a ring. Like that. Thanks. Yeah. All right. That'll look good.
All right, then take 2 toothpicks and 1 gumdrop to make a triangle on one side of the base. Repeat this around the base until you have 5 triangles.
Okay. Here, I'll help you grab some.
All right.
Oh, wait. Am I doing it the wrong way? Oh, no. That's right. Oops. Right, I'm going to do another one into that. Okay. Sorry. All right.
Yeah, it's cool.
Cool. Now, use some toothpicks to connect the gumdrops at the top of the triangles. So we're going to connect them like that.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
Then take the toothpicks and push them into each of the tops of the gumdrops.
No, you're fine. Now use one last gumdrop to connect the tops of the toothpicks. If you put them together for me. Yeah, thanks. Perfect. Okay, here. Okay.
And one.
Oh,
It looks really cool.
it's kind of falling down here.
There we go. Oh, it's cool.
Yeah.
Looks like a jungle gym. Then let it dry overnight. If you don't let it dry overnight, then it won't be able to support much weight. Yesterday, we made a bunch of gumdrop domes and then let them harden. Now, we're going to test their strength to see how many books they can support.
Oh, okay. So I think that if we put the books on one dome, then the books will just tip over.
Yeah.
So we probably shouldn't put them on one dome.
Yeah, so if we use 3 domes, then it'll be able to balance out the book's weight. So how many books do you think it'll be able to support?
I'd say I think it will be able to support these 3. Maybe a 4th, but I'm not sure. Do you want
Do
to
you
try?
want to try it?
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Whoa!
Cool. These are hardened, so...
Yeah, those are hardened ones. I think if we put them on this one, it would have just
It would have collapsed
instantly.
because it's not hardened.
You want to try another one?
Yeah.
Here, I'll be...
All right.
Here, maybe we should take out a little one and put this one on top.
Wow. So we
They're
have
really
4 books
strong.
so
Ready?
far.
Do you want to try 5th? Ready?
Yep.
It works. It's just...
It's a little tilted.
Yeah, I think here, I'll put the weight on that.
Oh! Woo! 5 bucks. That's awesome.
On gumdrops and toothpicks.
The reason why the domes can support so many books is because the way it's shaped. It's shaped like an egg. See, it has 2 domes on either side.
Cool. See, an egg can be very fragile.
Oh! Ew! But can also be very strong. Look how many books 3 eggs can support.
Ew. Okay, here, ready? Here, we'll put this one on first.
All right.
I'll leave this hand
That-
over here.
3
Whoa.
eggs support. All right.
2. Here, wait, we'll put these little ones on.
All right.
3, 4.
4.
We're
Let's
going to
see if
have
it can
a
hold.
huge mess if those other ones break. 5. That's more than a gumdrop dome.
I know. 6. Whoa, now it definitely
Jeez.
supports more.
7. 8.
8.
Oh, geez, we have one more.
9.
Okay, ready?
Let's see. If this
9,
supports
9.
9, that will be amazing.
I know. Look.
1, 2, 3. 9 books! Oh my goodness gracious!
That's so cool. We're going to think about how to build another dome that will support even more weight. So later, we can do another dome challenge.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
carnival ride?
Mine's the Ferris wheel because you get to go up high. The water roller coaster ride because it splashes you and it makes you choke.
My favorite's the roller coaster because you get to go up and you drop down. My favorite carnival ride is the Purple Cars because I can pump people.
My favorite carnival ride is roller coasters because they're fun and scary. Splash Boat because you get to go down a big fall. My favorite carnival ride is the elephants because they're nice and big.
My favorite ride is the Ferris wheel because we can relax on it and we can feel the cold air and breezes and then we go up high.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Meow. Hey, Kaylee. Yeah, Sparta? What did the cat say when he was trapped in a room? I don't know.
Let me out! Let me out!
Meow. Meow.
Welcome to Cafe Zoom. Hannah R. of Mesa, Arizona sent us this recipe for peanut butter bees. Here's what we'll need to make the body of the bees. Creamy peanut butter. Butter, leave it out at room temperature so that it gets soft. Confectioner's sugar. And graham cracker crumbs. You can use store-bought crumbs or you can crush your own graham crackers. You'll also need semi-sweet chocolate chips for the stripes and eyes. And almond slices for the wings. Okay, so here's what you'll do. In a mixing bowl, cream together 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Let's try to get this out. Oh, this peanut butter is really sticky. I love peanut butter. It's good. Okay. 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar. And 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix them until they're smooth. This is kind of hard because peanut butter is thick. This is going to get messy at some point if you use your hands, which is what's fun about it. This is cool. It's like I'm in snow. Then add 1/2 cup of graham cracker crumbs. Okay. And keep on mixing. Okay. Okay, good. Now shape the dough into about 1-inch ovals. And be sure to wash your hands before you do this. That's good. And I'll make one more. And that's good. Now for the stripes. Microwave 1/8 cup of chocolate chips for about 15 seconds. Check them every 5 seconds until they're melted. And if you're not allowed to use a microwave, ask an adult for help. Put your chocolate into a resealable baggie, like this one. This is a great way to make a homemade pastry bag. Okay, so now make sure your bag is sealed and cut a teeny hole in the bottom corner. Set that down. Okay, that's good. Gently squeeze your baggie to make the stripes, and don't squeeze too hard, or else it'll look way too messy. I love chocolate. Okay. I adore chocolate. And stripes on one bee. Okay. Then take 2 chocolate chips for the eyes. Go. And then 2 almond slices for the wings. Okay, that's good. You can keep your bees in the refrigerator until you're ready to eat them, or you could just dig in. And to find the recipe for peanut butter bees and other insect treats, like butterfly bites and edible spiders, check out the Cafe Zoom section of the Zoom website at pbskids.org. Bon appetit! Breakfast Club. I'd tell my dad over and over and over again that I wanted to play music. I really studied it and really tried to get good at it so then, someday I can have my own band.
The biggest little man in bluegrass. Make welcome, will you please, Ryan Holiday.
My name's Ryan and I'm 9 years old. My dad, he plays the guitar and he sings with me. What bluegrass music is, it's country music only without any electric instruments and no drums. It's all acoustic instruments and there's usually a mandolin and a guitar and a fiddle. But I think the banjo will always be my favorite instrument. You see, I use these picks to, get the right sound. How I started out, I used this roll and it went like. You can use that roll and keep practicing and practicing until you get good. Then you can go as fast as you want, like. Now the only thing that you have to do after that is add a melody to it. When I'm not in school, I like to, go around the house and play music, even when I'm watching TV. My family's used to it. Some people would probably like to call it practice, but I don't see it that way. I just do it for fun. Between school and music, those are about the only two things that I really have time for, but I like that. Because I like to go to concerts and show the people what I can do. It's what I've always wanted to do, was be a musician. I finally got to do that.
Meow. Hey, Matt. Hey, Sparta. What happened to the cat after she ate a ball of yarn? I don't know. She had mittens. Meow, 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 meow.
Send it to Zoom. Seatbelt.
Do you remember when Ricky, our Zoom guest, showed us how to make snowflakes?
Even though all snowflakes are different, they're all based on the six-sided pattern.
Sadie B. of Austin, Texas sent us this letter along with a picture. Dear Zoom, I'm in the 2nd grade at Gullet Elementary. It's too hot for it to snow here, but we had a snow day to learn about snow. My class made 6-sided snowflakes from Zoom. Everybody loved it. You guys want to see the picture?
Yeah. Sure. Oh, it's so cool how they made it. They have different designs, each and every one of them.
I think it's cool how they had a snow day and
I know.
And it's really
so
hot
pretty.
there. So.
Yeah, I know. It's like committed to snow.
Wow, that's awesome.
It's like a day committed to snow.
All the cool designs are really cool.
I know.
I have a letter. Jocelyn T. of Providence, Rhode Island sent us some really funny riddles. Okay, try to guess them. And the first one I'm going to read, I'm just going to give you the answer so you guys get how the riddles work. What is the name of Mr. Sippy's wife?
I don't know.
Mississippi?
Yeah, good job.
Mississippi.
Mississippi, like Mrs.
Yeah, it's like supposed to be a state.
Yeah. Okay. What do you buy if you have a mini thirst?
A big drink?
This one's hard. Think of like different states and their names.
Okay, Minnie.
That might help.
Minnie first.
Minnesota?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Jesse, you're good at this. Okay. All right, like soda.
I know, Minnesota. Minnesota.
First. Oh, I get it.
Okay. What do you tell Virginia to do after she runs a race? This one's tricky.
West Virginia?
Yeah.
Oh,
like
God.
West Virginia, West Virginia.
West Virginia, West Virginia.
West Virginia. Yeah, West Virginia. Good job, guys. What does Della do with her clothes?
Wear them, Delaware.
Delaware, yeah.
Oh, you guys are good at this. Wow,
I
good
got it
job.
after a while.
Those are all-
I have an email from Sam B. of Jersey City, New Jersey. You take your right pointer finger, that's this one,
Okay.
and then you turn it to one side. So you keep
that?
yeah, yeah, it doesn't matter. And then you take your left pointer finger and turn it around the other way. It's kind of confusing.
If I go this way, I'll have to go this. This. I can't get it.
Okay.
Oh, are you doing it?
No, hold on.
Here, how about we both, let's go at one at a time. Want to go
You
first?
try.
Okay. I'll go this way, and then, hold on. I gotta think which way is.
No.
I can't.
You almost had it, actually.
Yeah.
Is,
No, they're both
if you're,
going
if you're really
Wait till you try.
Okay, go that way. Oh no, I'm going the same way. It's you want to just go like that?
Wait, hold on.
No, they're both going. Oh, you almost had it.
Right.
I know.
We were really interested in how domes work, so we read about them in this book by David Macaulay called Building Big. We learned that a lot of domes are made up of small triangles.
So we thought that if we added more triangles, it would make our dome stronger. In our first dome, we had 15 triangles. Then we divided each triangle in half, so now we have 30 triangles.
3 of our old domes were able to support 5 books. So we're going to test out to see how many books our new designs can hold. So I think maybe because our old dome had 15 triangles and now our dome is going to have 30, since that's double, 15 times 2 is 30, I think if we double the amount of books that it can hold, like our old domes hold 5.
Yep.
And I think maybe our new domes will hold 10.
Oh, that's a really good hypothesis. Yeah, I think so too. So you want to test it?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so let's put them in a little triangle.
Like an egg.
1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh.
4. It's not even like
5. It's not even shaking.
Okay, it's not even shaking on 5. Last time ours collapsed.
Our collapse, I know. 5. Okay. 6. 7. 8. 9.
Oh my goodness. 10.
It's a 10.
Awesome. You want to see if it can hold our Building Big book? Or not. Maybe not. Holy smokes.
Oh my god. That's so
If you come up with any interesting designs for gumdrop domes, make sure you send them to Zoom.
Zoom into action!
We volunteered by helping our local MSPCA create a special kids corner where young people visiting the shelter can learn about animals. First, we asked some local businesses if they would donate chairs, a table, games, books, and a bookcase, which they did. Then we painted all the furniture and added paw prints. Next, we brought everything over to the MSPCA and helped set up the new kids corner. Now, when families visit the shelter, their kids will have a special place to learn more about taking care of animals. Want to be a member of the Zoom team too? Visit wgby.org/Zoom and tell us what you do to volunteer. Remember, the small things you do can add up to make a big difference.
Zoom into action and join the Zoom team! It's your car radiator that's smoking.
The caliper that just talked to me and said that my radiator was broken.
Was it the black one with white spots on her side?
Yeah, that's the one. The black car with the white spots.
Oh, that's Mabel. Don't pay any attention to what she says. She doesn't know a thing about fixing cars. Got a tale?
A bit, a play,
A poem?
that's homegrown, your very own. Present your creation to the Zoom Nation. Hey, you got to make it known. Come on and send us email. Send it to Zoom. Email. PBSKids.org. Email. Zoom. PBSKids.org. Did you know that the Zoom website isn't just for kids? Well, there's a special area for parents and teachers called ZoomTube. They'll find it at the Zoom website at pbskids.org or America Online. Keyword PBS Kids.
All submissions become the property of Zoom.
And will be eligible for inclusion in all Zoom media. This means that we can share your ideas with other Zoomers on TV, the web, in print materials,
And in other media.
so send it to Zoom.
Hey, Mabel, where'd you pick those beautiful flowers?
I didn't pick them. I learned how to make them at the Zoom website, pbskids.org. They have directions to make other cool projects, and they're right tasty, too.
Funding for Zoom is provided by the National Science Foundation, America's investment in the future. The Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people. And by
Contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you.
Thanks!